question is, are funnels gonna work? That's what we're answering in this video, and the answer to this video is literally going to decide whether you're going to be, number one, singing in the rain of profits, or whether you're going to be reenacting a different musical.
Please, sir, I want some more.
Welcome everybody, my name is Ben Moote. Here's the deal. Do funnels work? That's the whole point of this video. Do they work? And if they do work, what is the way that it can work for you? That's what we're gonna be answering in this video. So make sure you stay to the end, because this is causing a lot of people a lot of pain. I'm gonna be very honest about it. Funnels have been an overpromised opportunity. The traditional website is dead. If you have a business, you need a funnel. You're just one funnel away. All of these statements are hyped up. They're truths, but they're hyped up. And whether you are a business person who's trying to make a decision about your business, or you're somebody who's trying to make money online, or trying to, up level your side hustle, or you're like my friend who has a real business, knows funnels can work, and she's doubled down, but now she has more debt learning how to build funnels than she does on her mortgage. If you guys have followed me for a while, you'll know this is what I do. I love funnels. Funnels work. So if you hear anything in this video, you're like, oh my gosh, this was spectacular. Oh, wow. Holy cow, that was a whole new idea, or that was really funny. What I want you to do is give this video a like, subscribe, ring that bell to get notified when we have more videos. Now, just to be upfront, because some people don't know what is a funnel, let me give you a quick definition that's my own. A sales funnel is a very simple style website. Very simple style website that each page has only one goal, and you're directed through it in order to get a specific result all the way through, so that way you can make a faster ROI. That's it. That's the entire thing. Now, embedded in here is a whole bunch of sales copy, which is direct marketing. There's a whole bunch of design elements you want to make sure you get. If you're doing e-commerce, there's a whole new world. There's a lot in there, but that's the basics of it. So there you go. That's what a funnel is. Got it? Let's keep going. So I want to talk to three different types of people out there. Number one, you're trying to make money online. You may have a side hustle already. It's just time to up the ante, make this thing work. Can a sales funnel work for you? Yes, it can work for you, but the probability is low. Well, I'm a business person. Does that mean that I have a higher probability? Yes, a funnel can still work for you, but your probability is a little bit higher. And what about my friend? My friend has been trying this funnel thing for the last 4 years. She has gone to every single person who's a major guru in this industry. She's taken their courses. She's joined their high-ticket coaching programs. She's gone through everything, and today she has more debt on her businesses, everything she's been trying to grow, than she does on her $400,000 mortgage. And when she turned to me and said, Ben, I need to know, does this work? My heart kind of broke. My friends, funnels are marketing. And because they're marketing, there's going to be a probability. And that probability is, are you going to get through all the pain of testing and failing and testing and failing to find what works? Or are you going to give up at some point? I'm going to tell you honestly, most people give up. A funnel is a great opportunity. It's a wonderful system that can make things work. It can change your life. It can change your business. It can rewrite your history. It's spectacular. But at the end of the day, it's just a website with some fancy words on it that it's all directly focused on making an ROI. That's it. It's not magical. It's not unicorns. So how do you actually make this work for yourself? Whatever situation you're in, how do you make this work for you? Now, really quick in the comments, tell me, which kind of business are you? Are you a business that's proven? Are you a home business? Or you're trying to get this up and going for you for the very first time? Or number three, have you been doing all of this for a while? You're just stuck. Issue number one, nobody talks about. Do you have traffic? Do you have people who are going to come to this site? Do you have the ability to send people here? Whether you're going to get on camera, whether you're going to go in JV with somebody, do a joint venture, whether you're going to have an email list or a blog or a YouTube channel, you have people in your business list. They're already interested. You just need to sell them something. If that's the case, yeah, a funnel will work. If you have the ability to grab the attention and throw it, you can make this funnel work. Okay? But this funnel is going to need to be tested a couple of times. And this funnel will be more profitable than a website. Yes, it can work, but you need to be able to understand how you're going to get people to it. Issue number two, nobody talks about. what is this thing actually supposed to look like? Or what's supposed to be in it? Because at the end of the day, it's just a fancy website with some good copy, all directed at one goal for you to make a faster ROI. If that's the goal, that's the system, why does this work? Because of part number 2, direct marketing. The entire goal of this funnel is to talk to a customer extremely directly. You need to know what this customer's pains are. What these customers like, what makes them wake up at night because they're freaking out. What makes them smile at the day when something happens right. You need to understand this customer like they're your friend. And then you write to that customer in a direct marketing way with good sales copy, with good email follow-up, with good sales video, all those different things on this page, they're gonna make this work. Your page can look absolutely ugly. That's absolutely fine. It doesn't matter so long as you have copy that talks to that person directly, hits that pain, and promises that they can get out of it. If you can do that, this is gonna work. So you have a way to drive people to this idealistic funnel. You have a way to write to these people so that way they feel like they are getting the message they absolutely need at this moment from you, and you're promising the result that they can get. Honestly, real honest answer, make sure that's actually real, it's kind of important, okay? Number 3, what is the last thing that you need in order to actually make this work? There are funnel structures that are pre-proven to work, you just need to follow those. There are frameworks that work for different types of businesses. They kind of give you the basics. What pages should be here? Should you have upsells, downsells, order bumps, 2-step order forms? Like, should you have applications? Should you have phone funnels? Should you have webinars? Should you have on-demand webinars? Should you have a sales video? All of that is defined by the framework. So in summary, sales funnels can work, but it's a test. Marketing is tests. The question is, who can test the longest to prove whether or not something is working and keep coming at it from a different angle? That is what makes a funnel work. So whether you're making a business decision, whether you're making a decision that hits your home budget, whether you are somebody who is in the middle of both, like my dear friend, funnels can work, but you need to go down to their simplest form and find what's going to work for you. Number 1, have a plan to get people to that funnel who are interested, who are ready for that message. Number 2, craft that message in a way that hits them where it hurts and promises the result. Remind them, why are they here? Why do they want to be here? What do they really want? You're just reminding them. You're not creating ideas in their head. You're going and understanding their head already, writing to them where they are and promising a better result. Number 3, follow the basic frameworks that exist. If you need to go and create something, you need to start talking to some funnel strategists, big time, okay? Follow a basic framework as much as you can. And then last but not least, track your results, optimize, test, and keep testing. Marketing is a test, okay? So whether you're making $5 or whether you're making $50,000 or whether you've made $5 million in your funnel, the whole goal is just to keep testing. In the comments below, tell me what was the number 1 thing that you were able to take home from this. Please give me a like. If you disliked it, that's fine too. If you want to hear more, we're gonna come out with the strategies that you should be using for your funnels. We're gonna give you funnel hacks you can look at so you can watch and go, oh, that worked in my niche, that worked in my niche, so you can model this faster. Let me know what I can do to help you.